Hey my dudes, it's Caitlin, and today I am filming a video, and I'm not really sure what it's gonna be, but I just feel like I want to film. I miss you guys, and I'm just gonna go with the flow today, do whatever, try to be productive, but if not, that's okay. And yeah, I'm really excited because this morning I had my first therapy appointment with a new therapist, and it went really well. It was like the intake appointment, an hour and a half. It went really well. I really like her, and I can't wait to start having like weekly therapy. I haven't had consistent therapy in a long time, so I'm super excited for it. So the other exciting thing that happened today is I got my Fitbit Inspire HR. Isn't she cute? With the white band, and I'm really excited about it because when I had my Fitbit and it made me track my water more, I drank more water, I went outside and exercised more, so I'm just hoping that this will just be a passive way to remind myself to stay active and healthy, track my sleep and stuff like that, so I am really excited about it. Before we get into the rest of the video, don't forget to check out the organization / charity of the month. This month it's the United Negro College Fund. I donated, and I hope that you guys do too. And there's also a small creator of the month, which is Elias, and she makes health, lifestyle, and fitness videos, and she just has such a good vibe. She's one of my friends, and you guys should definitely check out her channel, give her a subscription. She is just the sweetest and deserves so many more subscribers than she has. With all that being said, I'm going to start off today by folding my laundry and listening to music. It is pretty late, it's already 2 o'clock, but this morning, like I said, I had the therapy appointment. I had to figure out stuff with insurance, and I took some notes just for fun, and that's been my morning so far. It's a rainy, gloomy day, and I'm feeling good, which isn't usual for me on rainy, gloomy days. So let's get started with folding our laundry, and I also think I'm going to like redo this corner of my room, so hopefully we'll do that sometime after folding laundry. Okay, so I'm going to be listening to my Give It a Listen If You Can playlist on Spotify, and it's going to be on shuffle, but I'm going to start with the song Heather because that is my all-time favorite song right now. It's been stuck in my head for days.
I still remember.
Okay guys, before we get into the rest of the video, I just want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring today's video. It really means a lot to me, and I hope that you guys stick around to figure out how you can get 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free, and also how to improve your study skills this summer so you're all set for next school year. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for you to choose from. Whether you're a creative or an entrepreneurial person, Skillshare will have a class that's for you. Skillshare has classes on basically anything you can think of, and these classes are built to work around your real life and the circumstances that come along with it. You can use these classes to get creative, learn something new, basically anything you want to do you can find on Skillshare. So as you guys know, I love journaling, studying, and drawing, and Skillshare has classes for all 3 of these things, and if you just want to self-reflect or learn any of those things, Skillshare is definitely the place to do it. Some classes that I think you guys might like are How to Study for Exams and Evidence-Based Masterclass, Digital Illustration, Learn to Use Procreate, The Perfect 100-Day Project, Your Guide to Explosive Creative Growth, Simple Productivity, How to Accomplish More with Less, and YouTube Success, Build an Authentic Channel That's Worth the Follow. I know you guys will like all these classes, but I specifically know you guys will like the How to Study for Exams and Evidence-Based Masterclass. This is by Ali Abdaal. He's a YouTuber too, and I know that some of you guys have definitely already seen his videos. The cool thing about Ali Abdaal's class is that it's in little digestible chunks, and he goes over stuff that he covers in his YouTube videos, but he also gives you techniques and tips and tricks that aren't in his YouTube videos too. So currently I am taking this class, and I'm about halfway through. I absolutely love it. I'm learning so much about studying, and I'm trying to brush up on my study skills before my senior year of college because I really want to get the best grades possible with the least, I don't want to do a ton of busy work, you know what I mean? The cool thing about Skillshare is it's curated for learning, so it is an ad-free experience. You won't have any ads on your classes, and if you sign up for an annual subscription, it it is less than $10 a month, which is totally doable. I know that we're on tight budgets as college students, and this is definitely an affordable thing to do. But with the link in the description, the first 1,000 of you guys to click it will get 2 free months of Skillshare Premium, and you guys can try out the studying class by Ali Abdal that I am talking about. It will help you immensely. It has already helped me immensely, and I'm only halfway through. I'm trying to really soak up the information and learn how to study better, and I know that you guys will want to as well. And when you guys do sign up for classes, if you take the study class or another class, let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy it, what class you're taking, if you like it, and I'd love to hear that from you. With all that being said, thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back into the vlog. Okay, now that my closet is all clean, my clothes are all sorted, which I've needed to do for a very long time, I'm going to clean other parts of my room. So maybe this will be a cleaning vlog. Not really sure. I'm just in a cleaning mood. Once I start, I can't stop. So I'm gonna try and reorganize the messiest parts of my room and figure that all out. This is my junk corner, so I'm thinking of making a little sitting area here. I think I have an extra little table downstairs, and it will be a nice little corner. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but those shelves, like the dresser drawers, are going to go downstairs because we're restaining that, and we're not doing it anytime soon. So, yeah. What do you think about that, Apollo? Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna start cleaning out this corner. Okay, so I guess this is what I'm doing with this corner. I still have to clean out all my brother's like old bottles and stuff, but I want this plant to get more light, so I'm just gonna set this up for here. And then over here looks better with the plant over here, but the thing is, the plant needs more light, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna make this all skincare and stuff. I'm gonna put all my stuff in it. And yeah, so got that moved. And need to figure out what I'm doing next. I might take a little break because I'm literally sweating. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm sort of just gonna film when I do stuff for the next however many days I film. I don't know if I'm gonna stop it today, but just depending on how much I do. I used to I get on myself about not filming, but I'm genuinely not doing stuff a lot of the times, and there's really nothing for me to film. I just film me sitting on TikTok wasting a couple hours. So today though, I have a lot of energy. So basically I've had chronic fatigue forever. I used to always be exhausted and stuff, and there's probably multiple factors that went into that. But recently, I got my blood tested. Sorry about this is a tangent, but just updating you guys. Recently, I got my blood tested and found out I was deficient in vitamin D, and so I've been taking vitamin D supplements for a few weeks now, and I feel a lot better. I have more energy. I don't know if it's because of that. It could just be other factors, maybe I'm sleeping better or something, but I'm really excited about the fact that I have more energy. So woke up today at 8 o'clock and got coffee, chilled out for a minute, and I had a lot of energy, so I was like, I wanted to penny board, but I don't like penny boarding alone, so I ended up taking my dog like up and down my street with my penny board. So penny boards are like mini longboards. I got this one in like middle school or early high school, and she's a babe. I love her, but I don't penny board very often, and I want to get better at it. So this is like my third time penny boarding in the past couple weeks, and I've noticed I've been improving. But basically I took my dog with me and was trying to like show her to run next to me, not to pull me or to jump at the penny board. So I got 30 minutes of exercise this morning, which was really good, really unusual for me to even get out of the house during the day. So glad I'm feeling good today. So now that I've talked your ear off about that, I could just talk to you guys about anything, honestly. But today I'm going to film when I'm doing stuff, so it might be a little jumpy. Might go into tomorrow, not really sure. But I'm going to show you guys the rest of how I decorated my room because I didn't film it all yesterday. I want to edit this video, daily journal. I need to work on sponsorships, and overall just need to get some stuff done. So with all of that being said, I am going to show you guys my room's a little messy, but I'm going to show you guys the decorations I put up and then get going on other stuff. This is how I ended up decorating this part of the room. I'm not going to go too in depth because I want to do a little room tour. But this is basically how it turned out. Really like it. And this is how this corner turned out. I still have to take my dishes and trash downstairs. I am not perfect. My plant's getting light. Yep, so this right here is the majority of the decorations I put up. Just reorganized this little area. I have this painting that I made like last summer. And my little Totoros in my plant. If you can't see them, they're knocked over, but still. Anyway, yep, that's the little room tour, and now I'm gonna get to editing this video to see if I can even make a video out of what I filmed yesterday. Okay, so I've edited this video. It's already 11 minutes and 12 seconds, but I'm gonna keep it going so you guys have a little bit of a longer vlog since I haven't been filming much lately, and I just have some more motivation to film today. I'm not really sure why, but I like it. So now I'm going to daily journal and then maybe get to notes because I've been taking notes. I'll update you guys that in a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna daily journal because I haven't journaled in a couple days. Okay guys, so I finished daily journaling and didn't have like too much to update on, but it takes me a while because I don't pressure myself to like sit down and do it all at once. I sort of go on my phone, like I just have a good time with it, listen to music, and it just makes it more enjoyable for me. So I don't know if I told you guys or not, but if I did, it was a long time ago. Basically over the summer I took physiology, but I dropped it because it was too much with fundamental genetics. But I still rented the physiology textbook and have all the materials for it. So lately I've been bored enough to just study physiology, even though I don't have the class until next school year. It just gives me something to do. I like taking notes. I know that to some of you that might seem crazy, but I really do enjoy taking notes. So I'm going to do that right now and probably only do that for probably like an hour. And then probably some bee research, things like that, and might hang out with Sophie today, my friend, but not sure. So with all that being said, let's get to physiology. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I'm sorry if you thought it was boring, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. I, by the way, have a pimple patch on my head. Like I said, I'm working on some more interesting videos. I'm going to do a hair care routine. I want to tell you guys how to daily journal again, like do an updated version since that was like a year ago that I did that, and things like that. So I have a lot of ideas and I'm working on a lot of things right now, and I can't wait to get them out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys with all of my heart, and I will see you very soon in another video. Peace out, guys.